No, Nitya, it is disappeared.
Okay. If someone of the core team members can help with recording the meeting in the form of screen recording, that would be helpful. Thank you so much. Google Developer Student Club at our campus is a dream come true for many of us. We tried really hard to start a Google Developer Student Club in our campus, and finally this year the dream came true for all of us. I welcome all the dignitaries and dear students to the launch event of Google Developer Student Club in Sri Vishnu Engineering College for Women. In this event, we will tell you everything about Google Developer Student Club and the process to join the club. So I request everyone to be there till the end of the session. There is also an interesting quiz waiting for all of us, and the winners will also be decided. So with all this being said, let us start this event. I would first request Ravi Kumar sir, who is the faculty advisor of our GDSC at SVCW, to address the students and speak for a couple of minutes. Over to you, sir.
Yeah. So thank you, Emma. Thank you for making me to become a member in the great club in our SVCW, which is going to be launched. That is Google Developer Student Club. So am I audible, Emma? All of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you. So you know all. So how much importance we have to give nowadays in our bachelor of technology education. So if you observe 3 years or 4 years back how the interviews and how the campus industries are looking for the students, and now at present days how the industries are looking for the students who are having the sort of skills. So the skill set for the students who are at 4 years back and who will be at nowadays, so will be different here. So at the time when 4 years back, the students who are having the knowledge in aptitude or reasoning or even English communications, then they have settled in easy manner. So even though they are not having the technical knowledge, even they are having the less technical knowledge. But now at present days, industries are looking for those students who are having very strong coding knowledge. Okay. So as the final year students, so they are very much struggling about the coding and as well as the technical knowledge. Okay, so many number of companies they have attempted, even they got good jobs, and now so many number of students in the final year they are struggling, they are preparing only for the technical interviews. So as part of this, yeah, so Google Developer Student Club, so I think will play a major role in your next curriculum plan. So where, so in which we plan, so the students and as well as as a faculty member, so we'll plan to conduct various different kinds of the events which will be helpful to all the students like second year, third year, and as well as even for the final years also, who wants to seek for the product-based companies like Flipkart, Google, the Myntra, like this. Okay, so for these kind of companies, generally we require to improve the knowledge in coding skills. Okay, so the way how we have to think about the problems and the problem solving skills, and the way how we have to follow the approach for the problem solving. So all these type of techniques we have to prepare well advanced. Okay, when you are at second years and as well third year level, so that these kind of coding clubs, Google developer clubs, so will definitely helpful in such a way that you can improve in the problem solving skills, okay, so which will be benefited and which will leads to the way how you are, which will leads to getting a job in best of the companies. Okay, so hope you definitely enjoy and definitely being a part of this club, okay, and making this kind of club more successful, and will give the suggestions to your parallel students and other to your juniors to join in our kind of clubs. Okay, so thank you very much for being the part of this kind of club. Okay, so making this club more successful in future. Thank you very much, Amma.
Thank you so much, sir. What sir told is exactly true. As final years, me and my friends, we are all realizing how important technical skills are. Apart from coding, learning new technologies and adapting yourself to those technologies, implementing projects in those technologies is also very important for everyone to be employable. So thank you so much for your valuable suggestions, sir. Now, moving ahead with the event, after a long day of classes, I would like to check whether you are still energetic or not. So if you can see the chat option enabled, type in your favorite programming language in the chat box. Please type your favorite programming language in the chat box so that I can confirm, yes, all the participants are energetic. Everyone is interested in Python. Great. I can see everyone replying Python.
Amma, don't have the permission to see the chart window to me.
No, sir, it is there, sir. Maybe due to some technical issues, some people cannot see the chat box, sir. But it is enabled for everyone, sir. Okay, I can see Python and C. There are many fans of C and Python in our college. That's great. I agree that you are all energetic and ready for the event. So I'd like to start with the presentation about the club. Can someone confirm whether the screen is visible?
Yeah, yes,
Nitya. Yes,
Thank you. I heartily thank each and everyone for attending this event and welcome all the dignitaries and students to this event, the launching event of Google Developer Student Club. We will now get started with exploring what this club is and how this will be useful to us. Before that, let me first introduce myself to you. I am Nityasri, currently pursuing 4th year of BTech in Sri Vishnu Engineering College for Women in the branch of Information Technology. I am selected as the Google Developer Student Club lead from our campus this year. So as a Google Developer Student Club lead, I will be responsible to coordinate all the activities related to GDSC Club in SWEC. With this being said, let us proceed to know more about the club. So now, what is a Google Developer Student Club? Google Developer Student Clubs are communities for college students who are interested in Google technologies. So students from all the graduate and undergraduate programs with an interest in growing as a developer are welcome to join our club. By joining a Google Developer Student Club, all the students can increase their knowledge in a peer-to-peer learning environment, and we can build solutions through technology for local businesses and the communities around us. This year, we are fortunate enough to start a Google Developer Student Club in our campus. So through this club, all the students of our campus who are interested to moving into a developer role or into any software engineering roles can benefit by joining this club. So these clubs are powered by Google, and the internal people from Google will also be a part of some of our workshops and other events which are conducted. And this is powered by Google, so we can also access some of the resources from Google and explore and learn more about the new and cutting edge technologies. Moving to the aim of Google Developer Student Clubs. These clubs are started by Google, and the aim of Google for starting these clubs is to bridge the gap between theory and practice. So we learn a lot of subjects in our classroom, but when we get into jobs, into the real world industry, then some of us might be industry ready. By not industry ready, I mean there is a lot of gap between what we are learning in the classroom and what we will be working on once we get out of college. So Google has come up with this initiative of Google Developer Student Clubs, where all the students can explore different technologies and we can work on real world projects, build solutions that really matter to the society. Google Developer Student Club is a place where we can connect with the students of our campus. We can teach them what we know, we can learn from them what they know, and we can get involved in a peer-to-peer learning, mutual learning environment. We will connect, learn, and grow together as a part of this club. Now, after knowing about Google Developer Student Club and the aim of GDSC, now let us play a fun game. I request everyone to open this URL in your mobile phone or your laptop. Let us get started with the quiz. https://kahoot.it/. Please open this URL in your mobile phone or laptop and let us play a fun quiz. I request Mayuka to please post this URL in the chat box so that it will be convenient to others. We will wait for 2 minutes. Please open this URL. I will show you the game pin.
Yes.
Yes.
The screen is visible, right?
Yes, sister.
Yes, sister.
The game pin is 195113. Please open the URL www.kahoot.it and enter the game pin 195113. There are around 56 participants. We'll wait 1 more minute and start the quiz. So still people are joining. Meanwhile, I'll explain the rules. So Kahoot is a quiz app. After all the participants joined, I will start the quiz. The question will be displayed on my screen. You can see the question and options on my screen, and you will get the options to answer the question on your device. So if you feel something is the correct answer, please tap that option on your device.
Okay.
I repeat, the question and options will be shown on my screen and the options will be shown on your screen. So tap the correct answer. Time also matters in Kahoot. So whoever answers the question fast will get more score. So you have to be the fastest finger and you also have to give it correctly. Clear, right?
Okay, sister.
Yes, sister.
Okay, then I will start the quiz. We have 67 participants. The first question is coming. So see the question and answer it fast. Which of the following cities does not have a Google office located? Gurgaon, Bangalore, Pune, or Mumbai? I tried to design the quiz in such a way that you won't find answers on Google, or even if you find answers on the internet, it will take time for you. We have 20 seconds more, so please answer fast. Okay, the time is up. So shall I move on to the next question?
Yes, sister.
Okay, the Pune is right answer. Pune doesn't have a Google office. You can see the leaderboard. Ratnasri is on the top. So I'm going to the next question. This is a kind of puzzle question. You should think in a creative way to answer this. If 2 plus 2 equals to fish, 3 plus 3 equals to 8, then 7 plus 7 equals to what? The options are square, triangle, cylinder, and rhombus. We have 40 more seconds to please answer. Think in a creative way and answer this question. Okay, we have 5 more seconds. Time is up, and the answer is triangle. Did anyone figure out? You can unmute and tell the answer how you figured out this.
Opposite positions of 7.
Yeah, yes, you're right. If we flip the first 3 and join, it becomes 8. If we flip the first 2 and join, it becomes a fish. And if we flip the first 7 and join both of them, it becomes a triangle. Very well done. 33 members answered it right. That's great. We have 20 B0, 1A0, 5B7 leading. Now let's move on to the next question. This is a true or false question. Electrons move faster than the speed of light. Is it true or false? Great, we have 50 answers. Okay, we have 40 seconds more. You can answer this. Electrons move faster than the speed of light. Is it true or false? Okay, this is false. Light is the speedest thing in the world. The speed of light is the speedest, and nothing can be more speeder than light. We have 42 correct answers, and that's great. Okay, Ratnasri is back to the top position. Let us see the next question. Try to answer it correct and fast also. The fourth question is, guess the company from the picture of the CEO given. The person in this picture is the CEO of some company. Name the company. Is it Google, Netflix, Amazon, or Flipkart? If you follow technical news, you will definitely answer this. Okay, the correct answer is Amazon. The person in that picture is the CEO of Amazon who is recently appointed. 17 correct answers, that is great. Let's move on to the next question. Bhavana is on the top of leaderboard, that's great. Now the next question. Which of the following is the northernmost city in India?
Hey.
Answer it fast and correct. Ahmedabad, Mumbai, Hyderabad, or Trivandrum? We have 20 more seconds. Which of the following is the northernmost city in India? Okay, it is Ahmedabad, which is the northernmost city, and 47 answered it correct. Great, you have a good sense of geography. Now moving on to the next question. Bhavana is still leading on the top of scoreboard. Now let's go on to the next question. Okay, to the movie lovers, who played the hero role in the Tamil version of Narappa movie? In Telugu, Venkatesh played the lead role, and in Tamil, who played the hero role? We have only 40 seconds. Answer it fast. Rajnikant, Pawan Kalyan, Vijay Sethupathi, and Dhanush. Answer it fast, guys. This is a movie question. You should have known this. We have only 8 seconds. Okay, time is up, and Dhanush is the hero in the Tamil version of Narappa. And the scoreboard, Bhavana is still leading, great Bhavana, and followed by Ramya and 299. Now moving to the next question. Which of the following is not a web development technology? AngularJS, Flutter, Django, Tableau. Which of the following is not a web development technology? We have 51 answers and 51 seconds. Answer it fast and correct. We have 59 answers. We have 15 more seconds. Answer it fast. Okay, Tableau is not a web development technology. It is a data visualization tool, and 24 answered it correct. That's great. Moving to the next question. Let us see the leaderboard. Ramya is on the top, Bhavana, followed by Shravya. Moving to the 8th question. The following is the logo of which language? The options are Python, Scala, C#, and Kotlin. This logo belongs to which language? We have 30 more seconds. Okay, time is up. And the correct answer is Scala. Great, 56 of you answered it right. Let's see the leaderboard. Great, Ramya, Bhavana, Shravya are still on the top. Moving to the 9th question. Yeah, where do you find a 0 by 0 value in SVCW? In our college, we have many posters, right? So where will you find a 0 by 0 value in SVCW? The options are Bosch Lab, Assistive Technologies Lab, Temple Square, and Wise Lab. So if you're not getting it, let me give you a hint. 0 by 0 equals to what in mathematics? So think in that perspective, and you'll find that symbol in one of the places given below. During holidays, whenever we get a leave, all the hostelers, day scholars will be hanging out in different places in our college, right? So try to observe all the posters on the way. You'll find different motivational quotes there. And we have 15 more seconds. Okay, the answer is Assistive Technologies Lab. So 0 by 0 mathematically equals to infinity. We will find an infinity symbol near Assistive Technologies Lab. Okay, great, 21 of you answered it right. And seeing the leaderboard, we still have Ramya on the top, followed by Shravya, Lasya, Bhavana. Now let's move on to the next question. What is the output of the following code snippet? We have more C programming lovers, right? So you can answer this. What is the output of the following code snippet? Options are GDSC SWEC, GDSC SWEC 10, compilation error, or 0. You have 40 more seconds. And after this quiz, we will continue with the club and how it will be useful to you. So stay tuned till the end. We will also tell you the process to join the club. We have 20 more seconds. Answer fast. Okay, the answer is GDSC SWEC 10. Because whenever you give a printf statement, when you assign a printf statement to an integer value, the length of the string in the quotations will be printed. So GDSC spec is printed and the length of GDSC spec, including the space character, 10 is printed. 7 of you answered it right. That's great. We have Shravya leading, followed by Ramya and Lasya. Let's move on to the next question. Okay, many of you like Python, right? Guido van Rossum developed which programming language? Is it C++, Java, Python, or Perl? Don't just say Python because you like it. Think and tell. Okay, we have 68 answers. Time is up. And the answer is Python. Pardon me, I revealed the answer in the beginning if you have observed it. That's great. Python is the answer. 62 of you have answered it right. And next, the leaderboard, Ramya is leading, followed by Shravya and Lasya, Bhavna. Next question. Which of the following is not a Google's product? Chromecast, Daydream View, AirTag, Google Allo. Which of these products does not belong to Google? We have only 20 seconds, so answer it fast. Okay, time is up. The answer is AirTag. Okay, 46 of you answered it right. You are using Google well. Shravya is leading with a streak, followed by Ramya, Lasya, Bhavna. Great. If you want to beat these 5 people on the leaderboard, you should answer the next question correctly and fast. Let's move on to the next question. Which of the following is not a search engine? Which of the following is not a search engine? DuckDuckGo, Chrome, Ask.com, Bing. Okay, we have nearly 60 answers. Time is up, and the answer is Chrome. Chrome is just a web browser. It is not a search engine. I've intentionally put this option. So Chrome is the correct answer, and 8 of you are right. Great. Leaderboard. Okay, the leaderboard didn't change. Shravya is on the top, followed by Ramya, Lasya, and Bhavna. This is the 14th question. I'm sure you'll enjoy answering this. Find the odd one out. Out of the 4 pictures you see, find the odd one out. All of these are TV advertisements. If there is anyone who watches advertisements, you can answer this correct. Find the odd one out. We have 15 more seconds. Great, 29 of you answered it right. So the first 3 options are tea ads. Three Roses, second one is Lipton, and third one is Taj. The fourth one is Surf Excel ad, which is not a T ad. Okay, great, 29 of you. Let's see the leaderboard. Shravya is still leading, followed by Ramya, Lasya, Bhavana, and 5C7. This is the last question. GDSC stands for Google Developer Scholar Clubs. True or false? This is a very easy question. This is the last question, guys, so answer this fast. We have 68 answers. And yes, it is false. It stands for Google Developer Student Clubs, not Scholar Clubs. 19 of you still gave the wrong answer. No, I can't believe this. Let us see the final leaderboard now. We have Lasya in the third place and Ramya in the second place. And the first place goes to Shravya. Bhavana and 20B0, they are runner-ups. So congratulations, Shravya, Ramya and Lasya. All of you will be provided with certificates in the later part of our program. Yeah, thank you so much, guys, for playing this quiz. Hope all of you enjoyed. Now, you can see my screen, right?
Yes, sister.
Is my screen okay? Thank you so much for playing the quiz. Hope you all enjoyed this. Now, let us get back to the particulars of GDSC. Now, let me explain you what kinds of sessions will be there as a part of GDSC. We will organize all of these sessions. We will have hands-on workshops where we can implement the projects together, where we can learn technologies along with their practical implementations. So, which is called hands-on workshop. After that, we will also have boot camps, which are a prolonged kind of technology workshops. So we will be dealing with the theory of various technologies. For the boot camps, we will also be inviting speakers from the Google fraternity who will train us in various technologies. And the next one is expert tech talks. So we will invite experts from the industry in the developing field or software engineering field. They will deliver from the experience of theirs, how everything will be there in the industry and everything regarding a particular technology. Later, we also have Explore ML sessions, which are exclusively machine learning sessions, where we will learn different machine learning algorithms and where we have to use the algorithms also we'll be learning in these. After that, we also have cloud study jams. So cloud study jams are again exclusively cloud computing sessions. In this, we will learn about the cloud computing technologies in deep. So along with all of this, we will also have solution challenges and internal contests where you can participate and learn along with your friends. These are all the kind of sessions we have in our club. And now moving to the domains which we are going to focus this year, we will be focusing and exploring web development, computative programming, cloud computing, artificial intelligence, and Android development. All of these 5 technologies are cutting edge technologies and which are trending. These technologies, every developer in the software industry needs to have a knowledge of. So we have selected these trending technologies. We have a separate core team lead for each of these technology, and I will introduce the core team in the later part of this session. So computative programming is very useful to you because at the time of placements, you have to code things and you will learn in computative programming sessions. cloud computing, machine learning, web development, Android development. All of these technologies are also very useful to you to build your projects. So these are all the domains which you are focusing this year. Yeah, now let us meet our core team members. As I already told, there are separate people for each technology who will be delivering sessions and workshops, helping us learn those technologies. So let me introduce them to you. This is the core team of Google Developer Student Club, SVCW. We have Pujasri from third year IT, who is the co-lead of the club, and Uma Devi, who is the Android lead from fourth year CSC. We also have Nandana, who is the lead of cloud computing from fourth year CSC. We have Lahari, who is the web development lead from fourth year IT. We have Snehaja, who is the competitive programming lead from fourth year IT. We have Anuhya from fourth year CSC, who will be dealing with machine learning and artificial intelligence. And we have Mayuka, who is exceptional support regarding outreach and PR. We also have Devika, who is the PR lead and content lead, who will take care of all the public relations of the club. So these are the core team. I should say these are brilliant minds and they have been supporting a lot from the background. From the next sessions, they will be delivering sessions on their respective technologies. Believe me, you can learn a lot from all of these brilliant minds. I am grateful to have each and everyone in the team. Everyone is active and enthusiastic. I thank every one of my core team who have been a great support to the club. Yeah, after the introductions of core teams, now I would like to tell you how you will get benefited from GDSC. You will join the club, but what benefits you are getting from the club, we can see here. So you will learn the latest technologies. I have already described the 5 technologies which we will be focusing this year. So you will learn these technologies and these can help you to back up a better job in future. You can also participate in various contests. Sometimes Google idea contests. Once you are a part of this club, you can participate in all of those initiatives by Google. And we will also be conducting some internal club contests. So once you're a part of this club, you can participate in all of these contests. You will also receive guidance from all the core team members. As I already mentioned, they are brilliant minds and experts in their technologies. So you will get guidance from us, and also the internal team of Google will definitely come and help us when we are in need. After that, we will get an opportunity to contribute to open source projects. So open source project contributions can help you to become a better developer. You can also be a part of open source contributions once you're part of this club. And the next benefit is you will find like-minded people who are all passionate to learn new technologies and who are likely to share their knowledge with us. So spending your time with like-minded people definitely makes you a better person. And finally, we will make projects which are real time, real world, and which will really help the society. We will also go and meet some local businesses around us and communities and help them to build some solutions based on technology. So the main core objective of starting this club in our college is to help the students to bridge their gap between the theory and practice. What we learn in classes is far different from what we will do once we get a job. I request everyone to be on mute because I'm getting an echo of my voice. Thank you. Yeah. Thank you. So we will bridge the gap between the things which we learn in class and what we'll really be doing after we get a job. So we will become industry ready. We will build projects and solutions to local communities around us, and we will help the society with our technology. These are all the benefits which you will get when you join the Google Developer Student Club of campus. And moreover, you can also add all these achievements in your resume, which will boost your employability. So these are the benefits. And if you want to join our club, please click this link and join. Mayuka, I request you to please post this link in the chat box. We will also post this link in the groups of WhatsApp, Telegram, and LinkedIn. So please join our chapter through this link. Once you join this, you can see a screenshot here. Once you click this join us button, you will be notified of all the events which we are conducting. So you can join us for all our events and explore new technologies, learn with all of us. Mayuka, have you posted the link in the chat box?
Yes, Nitya, done.
Thank you. So all of you, please open that link in your mobile phone or laptop and join our club so that you will be notified of all the events which are coming in future. You can join us in this journey. If you miss the link or cannot see the chat box, we will also post this link in all the groups, so you can join there. Yeah. Coming to the final part, if anyone has any questions, you can unmute yourself and ask me. I will be ready to answer. You can post in the chat box or unmute yourself and ask if you have any questions related to the club. Okay, guys, if you are clear with everything regarding the club, thank you so much for joining. It is time to kickstart this adventure. We will all be posting our updates regarding the club. If you are interested genuinely to learn technologies and make yourself better, definitely please join through the link which is provided in the chat box. The meeting is open to questions. If you have any questions, please ask us. If you are clear, thank you so much for joining. I request everyone to please turn on your video so that we can have a group picture. Please turn on your videos. We can have a beautiful group picture. And I'd like to thank each and everyone for attending this event. If you are interested to be a part of the club, if you feel that you should be a part of this, please join the club through the link which is provided. We will also post the link in WhatsApp and Telegram groups. We will be really happy to share our knowledge with you and to learn from you. Please smile, I'll take a screenshot. Mayuka, can you help me to take a screenshot with many people? I can see only 9 people on the screen.
Yeah, Nitya, I was seeing only 9 people here.
Okay. Yeah, thank you so much, guys. మీకు ఏమైనా క్వశ్చన్స్ ఉంటే అడగచ్చు నార్మల్ గా. అంటే మేమందరం మీ సీనియర్సే కాబట్టి తెలుగులో కూడా మాట్లాడచ్చు. ఏమైనా డౌట్స్ ఉంటే అడగచ్చు. ఇప్పుడు కాకపోయినా తర్వాత అయినా వాట్సాప్ లో ఆర్ గ్రూప్ లో అడగచ్చు. వి విల్ బి ఆన్సరింగ్.
ఓకే సిస్టర్.
అర్థమైందా మీకు క్లబ్ గురించి? ఇంకా ఏమైనా డౌట్స్ ఉన్నాయా? పర్వాలేదు, అన్మ్యూట్ చేసుకుని మాట్లాడండి.
Little bit understand about GDSC club first.
Okay, if you have any doubts, you can reach out to us. Mayuka, please post the feedback link.
Yeah, I posted the feedback link. And shall we have the certificate shared?
Yeah, yes. The feedback link chat box లో ఉంది. దాన్ని ఓపెన్ చేసి మీకు ఈవెంట్ నచ్చిందా, ఒకవేళ ఈవెంట్ బాగోకపోతే ఇంకా మేము ఎలా ఇంప్రూవ్ చేయొచ్చు అని ఫీడ్బ్యాక్ ఇవ్వండి. అండ్ Mayuka, ప్లీజ్ షేర్ ది సర్టిఫికెట్స్. Lasya, congratulations for securing 3rd place in the quiz. It was a tough fight because there were 70 to 80 people in the quiz, and securing a 3rd place is really great. Congrats, Lasya.
Thank you, sister.
And the 2nd place goes to Ramya. Congratulations, Ramya.
Thank you, sister.
And now the 1st place, the winner of the quiz of today is Shravya. Congratulations, Shravya.
Thank you so much, sister.
Great, all of you. I hope all of you had fun playing the quiz. I intentionally included some fun questions so that it will be interesting to play. Congrats to the winners. And please leave your mail ID and name in the chat box. Ramya, Shravya, and Lasya. We will send your certificates to your mail also. Okay, if no one has any doubts, you can share your feedback. Core members, if you have anything to speak, please speak. Thank you, Shravya. Thanks, Ramya, Lasya. Okay. That was all from our side, guys. If you have any doubts, please stay back. And thank you so much for joining after a long day of online classes. Thank you so much. And we will post our updates in all WhatsApp groups and LinkedIn. So if you're interested to learn, please join in our future sessions as well.
Okay, sister. Thank you, sister, for giving this great opportunity.
Thank you.
Thanks for joining.